Are reptilians real? This question, as provocative as it is perplexing, has been stirring up a whirlwind of debate for decades. Today, we delve into the heart of this controversy, examining the evidence, counter-evidence, and everything in between. So buckle up for an exciting journey into the realm of the unknown. On one side of the spectrum, we have those who staunchly believe in the existence of reptilians. These individuals point to a variety of historical and modern evidence. They argue that ancient cultures across the globe, from the Egyptians to the Mayans, have depicted reptile-like beings in their art and mythology. Some go as far as suggesting that these beings are not mere symbols, but real entities that once walked among us. Furthermore, these believers often cite eyewitness accounts of encounters with reptilians. These accounts describe humanoid creatures with reptilian features, think scales, vertical pupils, and a predilection for cold environments. They argue that the sheer volume of these accounts, spread across different continents and centuries, lends credibility to their belief. But what about the other side of the argument? Skeptics too have their share of evidence. They argue that the human brain is wired to see faces and figures, even where none exist, a phenomenon called pareidolia. According to them, this could explain why people perceive reptilian beings in ancient art or claim to have seen them in person. Moreover, skeptics point out that despite the numerous claims of encounters with reptilians, there is yet to be any concrete scientific evidence supporting their existence. No DNA samples, no carcasses, no nothing. They argue that in the age of smartphones and high-resolution cameras, the lack of clear, undisputed photographic or video evidence is telling. Now let's summarize the key points. On the one hand, we have believers who point to historical depictions and eyewitness accounts as evidence of reptilians. On the other hand, skeptics argue that these can be explained by psychological phenomena and the lack of concrete scientific evidence. So, are reptilians real? As with most things in life, the answer is not black and white. It's a gray area that's open to interpretation, reliant on personal beliefs and the weight one assigns to different kinds of evidence. And that's what makes this topic so fascinating. In the end, it's up to each of us to decide where we stand on the existence of reptilians. Whether you're a believer, a skeptic, or somewhere in between, one thing is clear. The debate around reptilians is as captivating as it is controversial. And as long as there are mysteries in our world, such debates will continue to thrive, sparking curiosity and wonder in our minds. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep an open mind.